Welcome back, graduates. Today is going to be a video game changer because Shopify has always been at the forefront of e-commerce innovations, and they've done it again. Today, we are introducing for October 2nd release, the new Shopify one-page checkout. And what this means is it's not going to be just a cosmetic, simple change, but it's going to be the whole checkout experience for your customers. So let's dive into what it looks like, the features, and go into it. So right over here, you might all see what this looks like and is very familiar with it. This is the 3-page form. So your customers will go into here, their email or their phone number, and then their shipping address, and then continue shopping. Once that's filled in, they're going to go to another form, and at the very last, they're going to click the Pay Now. That already is just a 3-step, program that people don't like very much. And so now, if you go into your store and you go into the checkout, so if you go into settings and checkout right over here, you're gonna see this notification that says that it is gonna be available August 2nd, and it is the one-page checkout for faster, shorter, and friction-free. So you can preview what it looks like, and right over here, this is what it's gonna look like. So now everything is digestible on one page. If you scroll down, at the very bottom here, there's going to be a Pay Now button right here for your customers to pay now. The benefits with this is it just streamlines the process a bit more, so there's no multi-step into it, and then it is mobile optimized as well. Last and foremost, it reduces the cart abandonment. So let's say, for example, a customer goes in and they start going into the form and they decide on step 2 that they don't want the product or the service or whatever it may be. Well, then they drop off and you lose conversions that way as well. So this helps keep the momentum on the one page. And also, here is more details about the one-page checkout is in early access and is available only to some merchants. So if you are on the Shopify Plus plan, this includes this service, but some stores have this availability and going to have this availability because even on our demo store, which is a development store, we have that availability. So that is something to look into. And to access this again, you're going to go into your settings and then go into checkouts right over here. And then you're going to be able to see in the very blue indicator, your checkout experience for your customers will be updated on October 2nd, and you can push it live if you would like, or just wait till the October 2nd. But that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe for more tips. Thank you.